Hi guys, welcome back to the barn. So I'm part way through quite a major project upstairs in the master bedroom, and I need to cut some relatively small timbers at the table saw to continue the build. As you know, if you're a regular on this channel, I like to buy this pine parquet floor and cut my timber out of this. So I thought it would be an ideal opportunity to try this little wheeled featherboard that Banggood have sent me. So let's just have a little look and set it up on the Evolution saw, and then during the cutting of this timber I can see how useful it is. So there isn't very much in the box. There's the unit itself, there's a couple of short threaded rods and a couple of T-track sliders. Both can have the box. Okay, so it's got metric on one side, 0 to 160, and it's got imperial on the other side. It's got a pair of rollers. It's got some wind in and out, so set screws there to wind it in and out. The rollers are pretty much, in fact they're identical to the ones on this Enjoywood feed rollers, which I've been enjoying using on the router table. And actually this will probably fit in the router table too, I would think, but we'll have a look at that later. So let's put in the table saw. For me to put in the table saw, I just need to take these off. I need the roller and the washer. It's the T-bolt I don't need. Fine, they fit the Evolution fine, or any standard table saw. These rollers only roll one way. Okay, so these rollers are anti-kickback and they only go one way. Actually, they go the wrong way compared to my direction of feed. So I've actually undone this and turned it over. It's a bit of a faff if I'm honest, but you only have to do it once. Take these little groove screws out. The only downside to doing that, of course, is you lose the little index on there, but turn it over, slide that back in there. This is the fiddly bit. Put that back on. Put my grub screws back in. The grub screws are just sit in these two slots at the bottom, just guide the wheels in and out. Hey, right, okay. Right, eventually. And the feed rollers go the right way. Okay, so just a little faff there, just turning them rollers over. Took me 5 minutes, and I won't have to do it again now they're the right way up. Standard comment really on most of the Enjoywood products. There's just no instructions, so you've got to figure it out for yourself. So hopefully, if you buy one of these, or you've bought one of these and scratching your head like I were, then hopefully this video will help you. If so, drop me a comment, it's always nice to know. So now I've set it up that way, not only will it actually work for the feed in that direction for the table saw, but it'll also work in this track I've got on the router table as well. Right, let's just set it up. Now I'm going to say one thing. When you look at this on Banggood's website, it shows it set there with the material trapped between the saw blade and this roller. Please don't do that. You're gonna end up with some kickback if you're not careful. You need to move it out, that there, so it's pushing your timber against the fence. Don't have it sat there where it's pushing against the blade. So 95mm. There we if I have a piece that's just a little, wants a little tweak, because one piece is slightly smaller or bigger than the other, I can just adjust them with that, just to apply a little bit more pressure. So there you go, nice little gadget. Yes, a little faff just to get that initial setup, but once you've got the rollers going the right way for your table saw, or indeed your router table, then it's fine. And of course, anything that helps with safety at the table saw, router table is good. So a quick video. Thanks for Banggood for sending me this Enjoywood tool, and I'll catch you again soon. Cheers guys, bye.